When your clients have medical insurance for their pets, you know you can offer the best medicine and patient care possible. But explaining the benefits of medical insurance to pet owners can be stressful and complicated. And a veterinary professional's time should be dedicated to caring for pets, not discussing insurance plans or processing paperwork. And let's be honest, your clients probably don't love all that time-consuming paperwork either. Well, ezyVet and Trupanion are here to change that. The Trupanion integration is 100% free, and claims can now be made directly from inside of the ezyVet clinical record. Most claims are approved within minutes and paid directly to your hospital 24 hours a day, eliminating that pesky reimbursement model. Pet parents can also benefit from Trupanion's exam day offer, located inside of the ezyVet dashboard. If eligible, they'll receive their first 30 days of coverage, with no upfront payment and waived waiting periods. Trupanion includes unlimited payouts for breed-specific conditions. So, what are you waiting for? Contact Trupanion and get integrated today.